Morning, everyone. Please come. All of you, please tell the others that I'm back. Whoever of you who has come online, good morning. Please tell your friends that I'm back. Ask them to come back. Please phone them. Are you all there? Shall we start class? Shall we? Today I'm doing a method called the least cost method. Okay? The least cost method in transportation means in the whole matrix you have to take the least of the costs, and then once you allot there you go to the next least, etc. Okay, so first we will start a problem as I've been telling you doing, because I feel unless you understand the problem you will not be able to understand the solution. All right, so that is why, as usual, I will start with the problem, and as I start do the problem, I will explain to you. So get ready, right there, the least cost method. Okay, right, least cost method. So the first rule the first column, and call it source. First column, call it source. All right, then rule the last column and call it supply. So for each of the source, this column will give the supply. Now in the middle we have all retailers or shops or this thing. So it is actually generically a destination, isn't it? That is why I will call it destinations. Now I will start drawing the rows. Underline the destination first, only the destinations, and then underline the entire underline only the destination first, and then underline the entire table. I mean, make a row. Now in this destination columns, let us make 4 destinations, D1 to D4. So we have 4 destinations now. We have 4 destinations now. All right. Now let's come back to the source. Let's give 4 sources. So you'll have 4 rows plus 1 row for requirement. S1, S2, S3, S4 and requirement. I'll show you first and then I will. Now these are all the rows. I'm going to rule lines. I've given you 4 sources, S1, S2, S3, S4 and requirement. Kindly rule. So the structure of our problem is ready. Now I will fill in. I'm going to make it a balanced problem only. So the balanced problem means requirement is equal to supply. All right. So I will give here for supply. I'll start first. I'll make it 40, 50, 60, 70. 40, 50, 60, 70 and total will be 40 and 50 is 90, 90 and 60 is 150, 150 plus 70 is 220. All right. So the supply will be 220. I'll give this requirement the same way. All right. Requirement, how shall we give it? I'll make it 80, 70, that is 150, 30, 180 and 50. Wait, let me count once again. 80 plus 70 is 150 plus 30 plus 50. 230 it becomes, so I'll make it 40, sorry. Eighty, 70, 30, 40. This is our problem. Okay. Now I will give cost inside the cells. Okay. So in D1 we'll write like this: 4, 5, 8, 7. Okay. Sorry. Class, I cannot see myself. Never mind, something happened. Never mind, I can see the comments at least. With the comments, I'll work. Now, The next one you give 6, 7, 9, 8. Okay. Then we will do 9, 7, 5 and 3. Okay. Then last we'll give 7, 6, 5 and 8. So our problem is ready. Class, something happened when I was moving here, so I cannot see my picture, so I don't know whether I'm showing it to you properly. So what you do is just give me a thumbs up saying you copied the problem, and then we will work out. I'll have to do my entire class only based on your comments. All right. So because I cannot see myself, so I cannot see the whether I've shown you the picture properly. Shall we go ahead? So solution, right? We use the method of, okay, thanks Anuradha. We use the method of least cost. Okay, okay Vidya, thank you. Like this, is this okay Vidya? This is this okay? Vidya, let me know. Can I see, Isan, can you see it now? Just give me, can tell me whether you can see it now, so I'll hold it at this level only anymore. Still? Now can you see? Okay, I'll hold it like this only now. This is correct, no? Okay, okay. Thank you, Isan, Zahid, Vidya, Prashant, Obaidullah, Chennakeshava. Very good, very good. Yeah, Harsha, Anuradha, Swarna. Yes, I'll hold like this only. Okay. Now we will work out. Now you look into the whole matrix. Which is the least one? In the first column, you have 4, 5, 8, 7. So the least one is 4. Keep in mind. Okay. And then you come to 6, 7, 9, 8. Second column it is 6, 7, 9, 8. Keep in mind again 4. Alright, 4 of the first column, number 4 is still the lowest. Next, third column, D3, 9, 7, 5, 3. Now 3 is the lowest and it is lower than 4. Okay, it is lower than 4. So 3 is the lowest. And in the next column, fourth column, it is 7, 6, 5, 8. So we have 3 as the lowest. Today, you know, like I'm going to give 3. Go to S4 and see. Go to S4 and see. You have 70. this 3 is the lowest. You have 70 here, and here you have 30. So I'll have to give this 30 to 3 and make this 40. I repeat, this 3 is the least cost. So I'll have to give this 30, all of this 30 here, because we have a supply here of 70. I'm going to give off all the 30. You also do the same. Allot, reduce 30 to 0 and reduce 70 to 40. So 3 steps at one time. Allot, reduce 30 to 0, reduce 70 to 40, and reduce the total to 190. Reduce the grand total to 190. If you wish, you can make several allotments. If you want, like in your book, if you wish, you can quickly draw with your hands. Again, allotment. Remember, D3 here. D3 became 0. So in the next one, if you wish, I will make another allotment. I will draw again. It is better because in the exam, you will have to draw. Okay. So draw again. Write. You don't have to write source and all. You just draw. First you draw for source, and then you draw for supply, and then you draw D1, D2, D3. I'll show you. D1, D2 and D4. I'll show you, wait. D1, D2 and D4, and then supply. See, in the exam you will have to do the problem like this. So please draw. This is the second allotment. Draw. Okay. Now all the S1, S2, S3 and S4 are same. So I'm going to draw the lines for S1, S2, S3, S4 and requirement. I'll show you S1, S2, S3, S4 and requirement. D3 is gone. D3 is eliminated because the requirement is complete. Okay. So I will write D1 first. 4, 5, 8, 7. And total is 80. Right? Now I'll write of D2 6, 7, 9, 8. And total is 70. Okay. And the next column, D3 is gone. So 7, 6, 5, 8. And the total is 40. So I'll fill in the supply. It is 40, 50, 60 and 40, and our total will be 190. So our second matrix is ready. Aslam, just say, Aslam Vidya, someone say okay, I'll proceed. Okay, fine. Now, look at the picture. In the first D1, it is 4, 5, 8, 7. 4, 4, 5, 8, 7. 4 is the least. Next, it is 6, 7, 9, 8. No, 4 is still the least. 7, whatever. This is 5, 8. 4 is still the least. So we'll give to 4 first. Alright? We'll give to 4. Now you look at 4. There is 40 supply. 40 supply. And how much is there? 80. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give all this supply to 4. So this 40 becomes 0. This 4, I will give all the 40, and this 80 becomes 40. I will repeat, 4 is the least cost for us now. We want 80, and if you go see here, there is 40. So all this 40 I'm going to give here, making this 80. 80 minus 40 is 40. So all of you do those 3 steps, and the grand total becomes 150. Please do. First, I will give 40 to 4. Make the supply of S1 0, and the requirement of D1 becomes 40. Grand total becomes 150. So please understand, 4 got 40. This became 80 minus 40, 40. This became 40, cut 0. So this is over. As you can see, here now S1 is eliminated. I'm going to make one more matrix, the third matrix. In this matrix, I'm going to eliminate S1 because as it is 0. This is eliminated. Alright, draw another matrix. Draw the second matrix. Here you write the source, supply, and D1, D2, D4. 5 columns. You have to write source, D1, D2, D4, and supply. See? Okay? And now the rows will be S2, S3, S4. 3 and requirement. Only 4 rows. Draw the rows, only 4 rows. S1 becomes eliminated. So you have S2, S3, S4 and requirement. I'll show this first. Remember class, we eliminated one column first. Now we eliminate one row. So I'm going to write the numbers here. In the first, in D1, you will get 5, 8, 7. In the second one, you will get 7, 9, 8. In the third column, you will get 6, 5, 8. and supply is 50, 60 and 40. That makes it 150. And requirement is 40, 70, 40. Yeah, correct. 150. So your new matrix will be like this. Your new matrix is like this. Okay. Now you see in the first column it is 5, 8, 7. First column 5, 8, 7. So 5 is the least. Next it is 7, 9, 8. Again 5 is the least. Next it is 6, 5, 8. You have 5 least. In such a case, it is better to start with this 5. There is a 5 here and there is a 5 here. You can give to anyone. But let us start, it doesn't matter, so we'll start with the first 5. Now look at the requirement here, 40, and there is 50 here. I am allotting to this 5, this cell. There is 50 here and 40 is the requirement. Now I'm going to give 40 in this cell, make this 0, and I'm going to cut the supply and make it 10. So our D1 can be eliminated. Repeat class, there is 40 requirement in D1. I'm going to allot all of the 40 to this cell, and subsequently this 50 becomes 10. So, and also the grand total will become 110. Please do 4 steps you have to do. First step is, allotting 40. First step is allotting 40. Second step, in D1 you cut off and make it 0. Third step, supply of S2, you make it 10. Fourth step, 150 becomes 110. So I've done 4 steps. You can see I've allotted 40 here. First step. Second step, made this requirement 40 minus 40, 0. Third step, 50 minus 10, 50 minus 40, 10. Fourth step, 150 minus 40, 110. So 4 steps I've done. Now remember class, this first column becomes eliminated. This first column is eliminated. We'll have only D2 and D4 and all the rows. All the rows are there, but not D1, only D2 and D4. Let us rule another matrix. Let us rule another matrix. The first one will have only supply, will have source. Write down source. Last column will have supply. And in between you'll have you will have 2 columns, D2 and D4. we will have D2 and D4. All right. Okay. Now you have to give 3 rows: S2, S3 and S4 and requirement. Give me a thumbs up, class, just to see whether everything is all right. As I told you, I cannot see myself. Or a message on my phone, please. Vidya, one message on my phone, please. Just say yes. Yes. Thanks, Ma Ravina. Very good. Now, thank you, because I cannot see myself. Oh, lovely. Guys, I love you. Zahid, Swarna, Zabiullah, Likit, Anuradha. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Vidya. So many beautiful thumbs. Prajwal, Anuradha, Sandhya. Yes, yes. I'm very happy. Yeah? Okay. Sure. Yes, yes, Alisha. Thank you, sweetheart. Yeah. So now we have Aslam. Okay, okay. We'll give you a hand, a key now. Okay. Aslam, Vijay, Bhumi, Kiran. Yeah, love you guys, all of you. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, S2, I'll fill the columns. S2 is 5, S3 is 8, and 7. Oh my goodness, I made a mistake. D2, no? D2. Sorry, guys. 7, sorry. 7, 9, and 8. Sorry, I copied the figures of D1. D1 is eliminated for us. So I'm copying now 7, 9, 8, and then 6, 5, 8, 8. And the figures there supply are 10, 60, 40, total is 110, and requirement was 70 and 40. So this is our new matrix. This is a new matrix. All right. Let's go ahead. You see now in the first column you have 7, 9, 8. The least is 7. In the next one it is 6, 5, 8. The least is 5. So for this 5 we give the allotment. How much can we give? We can give 40. So I'm going to allot 40. See, I'm going to do 4 steps. I would like you to do the 4 steps. For 5, you give this 40 and make this 40 as 0. Make this 40 as 0. And then this here for 5 there is 60, isn't it? Make this 60 as 20. Third step. I repeat, allot here 40. Remove this second step. Remove this 40 and make it 0. Third step, make this 60 as 20. Fourth step, cut off this 110 and make it 70. So 4 steps you have to do. Please do. So first I will allot 44 steps. 40 into that cell. Second step, cut off 40, make it 0. Third step, cut off 60 and make it 20. And fourth step, cut off 110 and make it 70. So here it is. Very good, Ravina. Okay, now we have, as you see, D4 has gone. D4 is eliminated. So you see this thing now. Thanks, Aslam. You see the matrix now. D4 is gone, only D2 is there. We'll do one more, last one more matrix. We'll do one more matrix. Okay? One more allotment matrix. This is the fourth allotment. Write first, you write source. You write source. Last, you write supply. Only three columns for you. Okay, and you have only D2. You'll have only 3 columns. These are the 3 columns. So now we'll give the rows. S2, S3, S4 still have supply. So all the 3 rows we have to give. Only the column got eliminated. So I'll put here S2 and be careful. In D2, we'll finish D2 first. D2 in the column it is 7, 9, 8. And there is 70 left there. And for S2 supply is 10. For S3 supply is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. And for S4 the supply is 40. So the total will be 70. Our matrix now look like this. Right? Now we will go and allot. Now look at this, you have 7, 9 and 8. Here it is obvious to you that first I will give whatever is there to 7. Here there is 10. So I will allot 10 to 7. Why? 7 is the least. So I'm doing now 3 things. I'm allotting all this 10 to this 7. First thing. Second step, cut off 10, make it 0. Cut off 70 and make it 60. And cut off this total and make it 60. So 4 things are allot 10 here, cut off 10, make it 0, cut off 70, make it 60, cut off the grand total, make it 60. So do the 4 steps. First I allotted to 7, cut off 10, made it 0, cut off 70, made it 60, cut off the grand total and made that also 60. So 4 things I have done here. 4 steps. All right. Now, if you can see, the next thing we have to do is give off, the next least is 8. So I'm going to give this 40 to 8, 4 steps again. Give 40 here, cut off 40, make it 0, cut off 60, make it 20, cut off 60, make it 20. 4 steps I'm going to do now. Allotted 40 to 8, cut off 40, made it 0, cut off 60, made it 20, cut off the grand total and make it 20. 4 steps I have done. Wait man Ismail. Good, good, good. Okay, okay. Now the last thing is, obviously we give it 20 to 9. First thing, allot 20 to column 9. Cut off the supply of and make it 0. Cut off the requirement, make it 0. Cut off the grand total, make it 0. So our complete problem is done. So now I'm going to do the transportation cost. Calculation of transportation cost. Let us draw the table. Yeah, write the transportation cost. Write the heading, transportation cost. A table for transportation cost. All right. Now we have to do from to rate cost. No, from to units, rate and cost. 5 columns. Not necessary to give the cells. Now, if you want, you give. We'll just do from to units, rate and cost. So I'm writing here from, then you get to, next you get units, next you get rate, and last you get cost. Okay, Vidyashri, very good. All of you, very good. Okay, let me do slowly. The first one is, wait. Okay, I will do fast. The first one is S4 to D3, 30 units at the rate of 3, that will be 90. So D4 is not there. The next one is S1 to D1, 40 units at the rate of 4, 160. So now I remove S1. S1 was not there. So the next matrix was S2 to D1, 40 units at the rate of 5, 200. Next one, S3 D4, S3D4 40 units at the rate of 5, 200. Okay, last one is we start with S2 D2, that is 10 units at the rate of 7, 70 rupees. Okay, next one is S4 D2, 40 into 8, 320. There's no place for me. Last one is S3 into 2D2, 20 units at the rate of 9, 180. So now I'll have to manage. Yeah, I have left no place for the total. Okay, let me see if I get your same answer. 90 plus 160 plus 400 plus 320 plus 70. Wait man, I made a mistake. 90 plus 160 plus 400 plus 70 plus 320. I'm making a mistake. Plus I'm getting 1040 man. Why? Did I do something wrong? I'll check again. Check again, class. The first allotment was S4 to D3, 30 at the rate of 3. Correct. Next allotment was S1 D1, 40 at the rate of 4, 160. Correct. Third allotment is S2 D1, 40 at the rate of 5, that is 200. Correct. Fourth one, S3 D4, 40 at the rate of 40 at the rate of 5, 200. Then last, S2 D2, 10 at the rate of 7, correct. Then next is 40 into 8, 320. Okay, Vidya. 90, 160, 200, 270, 320. Oh, I did not count 180. Yes, I'm sorry, I did it correctly, but I did not, when totaling, I did not count. One minute. Correct. 90 plus 160 plus 200 plus 200 plus 70 plus 320 plus 180. Okay, how many allotments have we done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now write there test of degeneracy. Test of degeneracy. Please write. N is equal to number of allotments is equal to 7. N is equal to number of allotments is equal to 7. M plus N minus 1 is equal to columns of 4, rows of 4 minus 1. 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, if n is equal to m plus n minus 1, then it is a non-degenerate problem. Non-degenerate initial feasible basic solution. We can do the optimality test. So you keep this problem safely, leave there one page for the optimality test, which I will do after some time. All right. Do you want me to continue and teach you one more method? Do we have time? We have only 25 minutes. Shall I do it in the next class? It is important that you understand it properly. All right. Shall I continue and do in the next class? Or do you want to do one more least cost problem now? We have just 20 minutes. Tell me, if it is enough, I will stop. Okay. As long as you feel that it is enough, next class. Yes, yes, God willing, we will learn in the next class. Yes. Okay, then I will say bye to you. Thank you. Your participation. No, next class I'll do Aslam. Okay. Because, it is important to study and retain. Okay. We'll do next class. Yes. Yeah. Oh, you liked my class. I'm so happy. I'm very happy. Okay. We teach because we have to understand. And when you say thanks for this insightful class and interesting class, I feel very happy. You have made my day. Thank you very much. God bless all of you. Once again, I'm telling you, stay indoors as much as possible. Thank you, Zabiullah. Uh, you stay at home as much as possible. Don't go out. Keep yourselves inside. Keep yourselves safe. You see, you still have for my age, like I'm almost, I have lived my life, but you all have not yet lived your life. You have a long way to go. Becomes your duty to keep yourself safe. All right. Maybe the times are different. When I was your age, our duty was something else. Here for you, your duty is, it adds this duty of keeping yourself safe and healthy. It becomes your responsibility now. One more duty. You have to study, and this you have to keep yourself safe. So stay at home as much as possible and keep yourself entertained, make some exercises, do some exercises, keep yourself healthy, build your immunity. And if you feel a little unwell, take care of yourself immediately. Don't ignore even a small cold, you're not supposed to ignore. All right? Eat well. Please eat well, eat healthy, freshly cooked food. Enjoy yourselves, have a great life. Okay? Life is beautiful and life becomes longer when you build memories. So build memories with your friends. I'm very happy to see that I saw all seniors, juniors, all friends. They were celebrating birthday, making momos. Okay, be careful. You're not supposed to be meeting each other, but be careful. Okay, as long as you keep yourself safe, take care. God bless you. Okay, bye then. uh, Take care. uh, I'll end my class now. I'll see you on Tuesday, right? Whatever I've taught, make sure your notes is pakka. Okay? God bless. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Big smile, please.